All right, let's diagnose a major systemic failure. I'm talking about the urgency trap.
And let's get brutally honest right now. Stop bragging about how busy you are.
It is not a flex. It's a clear sign of systemic failure in your workflow.
It means you're not actually productive. You're just reactive.
And what's driving this? It's called the mere urgency effect, a cognitive bias that just sabotages your focus.
See, your brain's a bad architect. It's wired for that cheap dopamine hit from urgent, low-value tasks.
So how does this broken feedback loop actually show up in your day-to-day work?
It shows up in 4 distinct energy allocation zones. And listen, these are not to-do lists, okay?
First up, Zone 1, the crisis zone. You know this one. It's all about constantly putting out fires. Then you've got Zone 3, the deception zone. It feels urgent, but it's just other people's priorities. And let's not forget Zone 4, the noise zone. This isn't rest, people. It's just anesthesia.
Which brings us to the most important one, Zone 2, the growth zone. This is where your future is forged.
And here is the core system failure. Neglecting your growth zone directly feeds your crisis zone.
You end up solving problems instead of preventing them. It's short-term survival, killing long-term trajectory.
Think about it. The skill you don't build today becomes the career bottleneck you're stuck in tomorrow.
The fix isn't working faster. It's a mindset shift to preemptive intervention.
So the takeaway is this: stop extinguishing fires. Start building fireproof systems.